how to change your GoPro cracked lens with a wrench. What's up guys, Shelby Padgett here, and today I have a cracked GoPro lens. So, see that puppy? Lots of roost. Ugh. So $17.95, something like that on Amazon. Got a new lens and I'm going to replace it, show you guys how to do it. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys while I try to learn this too. So here's the lens. It's got like tons of cracks on it, just rock chips and stuff. Here's the new lens I got on Amazon for 17 bucks and some change. Comes in a nice little foam pouch with a little box, so not too bad. They say you just twist it and pull it off, so let's see. And it looks like, see, there's a spring mechanism in here. And so I've really got to just figure out how to rotate it. So I'm gonna try my hardest here. Not coming. Not even a little bit. So let's see here. Part of subscribing to my channel is watching me pretty much be an idiot. So I don't have anything to lose necessarily. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy on and see if this works. Let's see. Boom! Super easy with the wrench. So basically, if you have a broken screen, instead of using your fingers, because you have maybe little girl hands like I do, you can use a wrench. So now we will go ahead and put this thing on, push down and twist. Looks like it's on. New lens, new GoPro. Let's go ahead and see how it looks. Whoa, no cracks. This is sweet. All right, well, I feel like we did it. Good job, team. Till next time, how to change your GoPro cracked lens with a wrench. Sweet.